Hello and welcome to Chris Hall Motorcycles in Doncaster, and welcome to the channel. Where do we start today? We've got the 1977 Yamaha FS1E DX in what has to be one of the better colours out there. Absolutely stunning, immaculate example. Full disclosure straight away, I've got no blooming fuel again, so I can't start it. I really do need to find some fuel, but every bike that we have come in has no fuel, particularly on the classics. This one was actually kept in a gentleman's lounge along with an AP50 for the last 15 years at least. So anyway, right, let's get into it. Let's have a walk round. Before I do though, hit the like button, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications. I really do appreciate the support and the watch. We're a small channel, growing slowly, lots of stock, lots of bikes arriving, so watch this space for more. In fact, before we get into that one, I'll just edge you over here. I've got a purple one just there as well. So, and I've got two AP50s in stock as well, and we've got the Grelly Tiger Cross just up there as well. So yeah, I've got a lot of these little pads kicking around from the 70s. So like I say, 1977 Yamaha FS1E DX. Like I say, I don't need to tell you guys what this is, you all know. UK bike, currently showing 13,500 miles on the clock. I've got original owner's manual and a few other bits and bobs with the bike. And it's absolutely stunning, it really is. Beautiful. And I do wish I could start it. What I'm probably going to do is go and get some fuel one day, and we shall we'll fire them all up. We'll smoke the place out. Everything works on this bike as well. You know, the pedal system, etc., all works as it should do. But yeah, what a nice, lovely little bike. To be fair, I don't actually want to sell any of these. We can't keep everything that we like. Yes. Okay, so we can offer nationwide or international delivery on this particular vehicle, or any vehicle to be fair. Just give me a call for a quote on that. We can potentially look at finance on this vehicle as well. We do work with a few companies that specialise in classic bikes. So again, just give me a call. Just a little bit of dust on there. Looked horrible that, it stuck out like a sore thumb on the yellow. So yeah, if you've got any questions whatsoever on this bike or any of our others, I'm just zooming on engine for you. You can give me a call on 01302 760 967, or you can email me chrisallmotorcycles@googlemail.com. Also, just let you know, it is a matching numbered bike as well. But yeah, what a nice bit of kit that would look good in anyone's collection, or if it's your first bike, if you're looking for a first bike for a collection, then the weapon of choice is right in front of you. Alternatively, yeah, if you do want to come down and look at the bike, not a problem at all, come down, please do. The kettle's always on. Like I say, I've got a couple of fizzes, a couple of APs, in fact, Fantic Caballero, I forgot about that one there. Grelly Tiger Cross, so I've got lots of these little 50s. Got about 100 classics in stock at any given time, plus 70 odd modern stuff as well, so a bit of everything going on. If you want to come down and just look at bikes, feel free, just give me a shout, tell me what you want to drink, and we're on it. So, but yeah, I'm going to sign off. That's the 1977 Yamaha FS1E in the Kenny Roberts colours, UK bike, in stock. Any questions, give me a shout. Don't forget, hit the like button and subscribe, get your notifications, I do appreciate it, and above all else folks, have a good day, stay safe out there, and I hope to see you all very soon. Thank you very much. Cheers for watching, bye.